Let's look at how we add clips into our media players. I'm going to show everything in DDR1. How the operation in DDR1 works will be exactly the same for a graphics player or a sound player. You'll notice in the bottom left corner of any player, there's a little plus sign that appears. So here's the plus sign for DDR1, Graphics 1, and Sound. You'll notice here's the plus sign down here for DDR2 or Graphics 2. So if I click on this plus sign, this will open up the media browser window. And in here, I can select the clip I want to add. So I'm going to select one, hit OK. You can see the clip is added. Now you're not limited to adding one clip at a time. I can go in here and click on a clip, hold down Control and select other clips, and this will allow me to select clips in any order I want. Or if I select a clip and hold down Shift, I can select a range of clips and bring them into my player. Let's do that. I'll hit OK. You can see all these clips have been added. And now that they're in here, we can also organize these clips by clicking on the clip with the left mouse button. And if I start dragging, you'll see this little white frame appear. And this will allow me to rearrange the clips into that order. So if I wanted this clip, let's say up at the front, I could drag this all the way up here. I've already got one, so now there's two of the clips at the beginning of my media player. Now, if I want to further organize my clips into categories, that's where we can use these playlists. So there's 12 of them. I could just click on one of these. Let's go to playlist 2. You can see I've got a brand new clean media player. My old clips are still in here. They're just in the playlist number 1. If I click on it, you'll see they all come back. But I can go into this one. I can click the plus sign again and load some other clips in. Let's find something else that we can use. How about these clips down here? And there they are. And now I've got some clips loaded into playlist 1 and some clips into playlist 2. And this will make it easier to manage lots of clips in my production because I don't have to wade through potentially dozens or even hundreds of clips. I can have them all broken down into smaller subcategories. If you spend a lot of time building a media player with lots of clips and organizing them, you might want to save that list just in case anything goes wrong. Maybe you accidentally delete a clip, maybe somebody comes in and clears it out. So you could go in here on the menu on the side, right click on whichever playlist you want to save and go to export. I'll just give this a name. I'll use the default right now. And just so you can see this, I will clear this out. You can see that all the clips in that playlist are now gone. And if I need them back, I can right click, go to import, select the playlist that I just had. And this puts all the clips that I had back in the order they were with all of their information. So now that we know how to get clips in, let's learn how to operate a media player.